You think picking a fireplace is easy? Can actually be one of the most daunting tasks there is. Do you go with a gas unit or wood burning? Is wood burning even allowed in your area? Do you go with an LED, a glass front, or maybe an open face? You know, I've been in enough homes to realize when a fireplace has been overlooked, but the truth is, it can make or break your space. Let's dive in so you don't make some of the most common mistakes. For our build, we settled on a 5-foot wide, glass front, 18-inch tall, gas-powered unit with no supplemental heat. Before any walls were up in this space, we had mocked up a couple of different elevation views with a 4-foot, 12-inch tall unit. And what we realized when the walls went up is that that 4-foot unit would be dwarfed by the volume in this home. So we went back to the showroom, found this 5-foot unit, and glad we did. The flame is just a little bit taller, looks a little bit more dramatic. So in our case, heading back to the showroom floor was a critical part of the decision-making process. All right, let's talk about the hearth. Not every fireplace manufacturer will allow you to install the hearth encroaching onto the fireplace box. This one in particular allows for it. So think about the hearth and the height. You know, you want it to be a nice, comfortable sitting height, or maybe a height where it's easy for you to, kick your feet up. In place of a hearth, you may want to consider a mantle. In our case, we decided to not do the mantle. The hearth was plenty. All of your connections for the fireplace are in this fireplace box, but once all the drywall is up or your tiles, you're not going to have access to it anyway. Just some things to consider, because not every manufacturer will allow you to do this. Hopefully this episode gave you some things to consider when picking the right fireplace for your space. Remember to hit that subscribe button and share it with a friend. Around here, we say mock it up or mess it up. We'll see you next time.